Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you have seen, crude is currently trading at around $73.18. Okay, and I have already explained you something that there are few points that you have to understand. 85.58, this $85.58 is a strong resistance because the price is moving below this particular zone. After that, $77 is again a strong, now acting as a resistance. Previously it was acting as a support, and a level of around $68.3. These are the levels which are very important. This will act as a strong support now. So bounce back we can see from this particular zone. Okay, because why? As you can see that these are the level where the price has moved upside, because there is a pattern forming. Same pattern we have seen in natural gas, that after 2020 that we have seen it is continuously moving upside, breaking its previous high. Okay, but after that there is spike fall comes. Okay, and this is being repeated for sixth time continuously, and this is the time where we have seen there is a continuous downfall. So what you can see looking at this chart, as I have already explained you, that there is a price we can see coming at around $68.42, which is on higher chances, because we can see the next support coming at around $68.92. Okay, after that if the price fall below that particular zone also, then we can see it can touch a level of $65.61. Suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, then we can see yes, a chances of going towards 64.91 is there, and from there we can see a level of 62.11. Suppose if that level also move further down, then only we can see it can go further low towards a level of around 61 to a level of 59, and then from there we can see it can touch a level of around $58, and then further low if the price goes below this particular zone, because there will be a pattern breakout, you can say, and this level we have not seen since, you can say, March of 2021. So chances are very high if the price fall below 68, we can see it can come towards a level of 62 point. After crossing a level of 65, then we can see a level of 62.81, and then further low to a level of 61.41, and once it fall below this level, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, now understand something, the price of crude is moving in this zone. As you can see looking at this particular chart, overall trend is downside, but it is moving in a volatile range. So what you can see, suppose a swing form at this particular level, or this red candles move upside, okay, or this particular support makes a bounce back. So suppose chances are high, we can see, which are on lessest chances, because if it goes above, but chances of going further down is on a higher side. Suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go towards its next resistance of $78.23. So $78.23, you have to understand something, that market will, you should not trust that market blindly go upside or downside. It moves in a volatile range, then only this is how the market moves. Okay, upside like this, and if it has to move down, it will not move directly down. Okay, that you have to understand. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $77.53, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 79.63, and once it move above that level, we can see it can go towards a level of $84.54, and if that level sustain, chances of going towards 87.34 is there, and this 87.34 is a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it can cross that particular zone, and chances of touching 93.54 is there. Once the price sustain above this level, we can see it can go further upside, because a trend line will break for this particular zone. Okay, so further movement we can see towards 95, and then further upside. Okay, now understand something, what the traders do mistake, or most of the people trading in commodities or forex or any stocks do mistakes. What I teach in my workshop, I'll tell you some of the things here. Suppose if you trade with $10,000, suppose if you made a loss of around 2,000, 3,000, this is what people do. They come and they try to want big quick profit. So what they do is, suppose if you do 5,000 loss, 3,000 loss, they try to recover it, and that process they lose their full capital. Okay, so what I teach, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Now suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum risk you can take is $50 to $100, so maximum loss will be $500. So if you trade for a day, maximum loss you can bear is $500. Don't bear that more than that. what now it will not affect your psychology, because you can focus more on profit the next day. But what people do is they focus more on this, what trying to recover it, because they do much of its losses. Okay, so this is how I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.